Okay, so this is a 1992 and probably different years 5.8 liter Ford E350 one-ton van. Doing this just because I'm so pissed off at this stupid design. Dumb people, they should have never done this. Anyway, I had some exhaust leak. Nothing big deal on the exhaust manifold, but figured I'd come and check it. Yeah, this is what you get. You pretty much get this stupid thing right here. You got the heat shield snapped off. Now I have to deal with that vice grip and try and get that thing out. Guess what? Can't remove the exhaust manifold because there's a pipe back in there attached to the manifold, so you cannot move it. It can only move it this much. You can see I really disconnected the bottom part there, the bottom from the exhaust manifold, from the exhaust from the muffler. Losing it. I got so pissed off of this thing, so I got two of them snapped, that one and that one over there. Both of them are broken, so this one I finally kind of got it loose. I've been using this crap here. Where is it? Whatever. BP penetrating garbage. It's not working, not as well as it's supposed to be working, so forget it. I mean, even if it does, it doesn't work. Not as fast as you want it. So anyway, got a vice grip on it, and you can see that. You can actually take it down. I bought a tap just in case, you know, snapped off all the way into the block, and I was gonna just drill it out and then tap it. Figure spend some money, but I'm not gonna go make another trip to the auto parts. But just to help you out, not a good idea. Can't remove the exhaust manifold. Stupid to the max. I mean, you look at this car, it's just nuts. No space whatsoever. Nothing. Got that dump pipe, that black pipe there. Stupid. Put it right in your space. Can't even get the last bolt there. That was another trip there, so whatever. Don't do it. Not recommended. Okay, later.